YouTube, it's your girl Tardiana. I'm back with another video, you guys. Y'all, this is a pack with me / hair horror story, y'all. I literally am getting ready for vacation. But y'all, the hair horror story. Y'all, I literally had my hair appointment booked. I want to say that was at least like 3 weeks in advance. And the day of, y'all. Yes, y'all heard me. The day of. She canceled on me. She canceled on me. So, y'all, that literally left me scrambling around for somebody to do my hair literally within a week of the trip. Like, I was supposed to get my hair done the 15th, and by then, it was already, like, the, was it, like, the 17th? Like, I literally had got my hair done, like, Monday, like, a day or two ago. You know, when I tell y'all just Pennsylvania, y'all gotta do better. Like, the stylists in Florida, like, the way my hair would have been done laid to the side, like, baby, with no worries. And then, too, like, I'm DMing people, asking them, can they do my hair? People not responding back to DMs. How do you have a hair page and you're not checking your DMs? Like an Instagram and you're not checking your stuff. But, yo, I ain't gonna keep complaining too much. I did eventually get my hair done, so I guess I can't complain too much like I really want to. I mean, complaining ain't gonna really do much for me anyways. But, y'all, yeah. Besides that, y'all, I'm gonna be outside this summer. I got a lot of activities planned. Y'all, I always overpack. I feel like some of this stuff is just unnecessary, but I really can't say if it's unnecessary or not, because I do need this stuff. I do. I'm trying to see, because I don't want this to be on. I might keep that close by me. Yo, I always get so nervous when packing because I be feel like I be forgetting everything. Like, because I'm trying to make sure I don't overpack too, because I want to bring some stuff back, some souvenirs and stuff. Y'all, my Doombas. Okay, I need this dress because this is the dress for the birthday dinner. Y'all, this feel like a little workout. Let me make sure this been charged. It says got all the bars. So she's charged. Alright, y'all, first bag is packed. And then now it's just left to pack my little duffel bag. And that's going to be like little simple stuff. I'm going to put like my passport, my wallet in here. Just like the last little simple stuff. That's really my pack with me. It wasn't really much, y'all. I wanted to make this video not too long. And kind of semi show y'all what I was packing. Because I kind of want to do unpack with me when I get there too, to show y'all all the stuff, like maybe like a try haul too when I get there. And you know, I don't want to expose too much. Well, yeah, really anytime I go somewhere, y'all, I try to go carry on and personal item, because too, especially on vacation, child, you be in swimsuits and swimwear the whole time too. You don't, to me, you don't really need real outfits. But hey, y'all, this is her. I still have more stuff to add, but y'all, I'm gonna go collect that. But at least I got the main stuff situated. But you guys already know. Until next time, bye.